Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver. Today we're gonna start with another great session. We're gonna start with $11 today, so it's gonna be a rather quick session, and we're gonna use our RSI indicator, and we're gonna use 30 seconds time. So let's go straight to it without wasting more time. And don't forget about the description to this video. I'm trading on Quadex, and also there's a Telegram group where you can find a lot of information about indicators, signals, and just useful stuff. And also you can find a promo code that you can use for your deposit on Quadex and get the bonus. So yes, worth it. Let's start today with relative strength indicator and 30 seconds time. I've already put in everything, $11, and that's it. No other indicators, just with that. That's pretty fun to do with just this one relative strength indicator. And so the idea here is it's showing it live, so you get kind of a prediction, more based on probably like a technical analysis, but your intuition here. So yeah, relative strength indicator, let's put it as zigzag as well. So okay, here we have also the zigzag is gonna help us, right? Maybe just RSI is a bit too, is kind of only your intuition, so the zigzag is gonna just leave us a bit more control, or not leave, but just give us a bit more control. So yeah, let's do that. And what I see here is that the price, obviously, the price is going down, and will it start going up soon? We're gonna go with call option, because like 30 seconds is enough time for it to bounce up and down. So let's wait, let's see. Woo, we have the profit already, $20.57. We're gonna go with $20 now, and let's go. I go with this currency. As I always say, I move to the next currency usually. So let's not break this tradition. Let's go. Okay, this here. This is looking, pretty hard. We're gonna go with the call option for $20 and 30 seconds. Here we have $37.40. This is a profit now. Okay, so $37 for the next option. This is rather quick because we started with $11, so it's going rather quickly. So it's sometimes it's better, like if we start with $1, it just takes a lot more time. So maybe just for the sake of showing it, I sometimes put a bit more, so it's less boring. So okay, $37. This is a pretty good thing here. The price is basically going down, so we're gonna go with a put option for 30 seconds and $37. Let's see. Here we have $69 already, guys. Almost 70 in the payout, and on the balance is actually $70. So that's what we're gonna do next. $70, it's 87 payout, so 87%. This is pretty amazing because obviously this is how it works, and it's very volatile. You could make a wrong decision if you don't know how the indicators work, if you don't know how the patterns behave, and basically the patterns repeat. So if you know the graph behavior, technical analysis, at least some basics of it, you already can make some decisions. Call option here on this currency, $458 and 30 seconds. Let's see. $856, guys. This is a really good profit here. So let's go with the next currency. This actually looks pretty good. We could do a call option here and probably get it right, but I don't use the same currencies usually. Should I? Just let me know in the comments. Maybe I should, because it's the same graph, but I just I like to find different opportunities, and here is okay. So here I can see the price will go down. So put option for 8.50 and 30 seconds. Let's see. Woo! Here we go. $1,589. So this is it. We're gonna go with. Okay, we're gonna go with 1,000 is the maximum. So actually we're gonna go with 750 and we're gonna split it in two, so that way we can use the entirety of the balance. So it's better. We're gonna go with a call option here. It's clearly, ooh, yeah, double option 750 each. So the total will be payout is like is like 2,800. The total for this for these two options for 30 seconds. So 30 seconds we could potentially get 2,800. So let's see. 1,000 each. The next options we're gonna do, yeah, here we are. So the next options we're gonna go with 1,000 each, and we're gonna make two options. You could stop here, you know, because from 11 bucks we made almost 3 grand. That's already a good result. I'm just gonna go and push it a little bit more. Let's go with a couple of put options here, as we see the indications for it. Price has been up quite a bit, so we can expect in next 30 seconds we can expect a downtrend here. Okay, let's see. Here we have. Oh, actually, did we just? Oh, okay. So we have 2,771. So it didn't play out as we wanted to. Okay, so we're gonna go. It's okay. We're gonna go to the next currency. This happens, you know. This is what I mean. It's not all perfect. So couple of those call options here, and let's hope this works out. Okay. So you gotta know that at some point maybe it doesn't go as you intended, like now. But luckily we can still make some. You know, we can still push it a bit. So the total here will be 3,700. So in total we have $4,511. And we're gonna stop here, guys. So this is a pretty good result. Usually we can push it a bit more, but just not to make it a bit boring, you know, because that's, you know, the new people will stop here for sure. Like let's make that clear. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video. Good luck to you all, and goodbye.